What's up, everyone? Chris Osberg here, Winding Road Magazine. I'm sitting here tonight in the 2017 Chevrolet SS 6-speed manual. I'm going to go ahead and see what kind of 0 to 60 times I can get out of this thing. Chevy quotes right around 5 seconds. The challenge tonight will be getting traction on the rear tires. It is a big, heavy car with a powerful engine. And the 275 with rear tires are not overly large, so it's going to be tough to balance between wheel spin and bogging and getting good traction and getting good launching. So I think launching on the street here right around 2,000 RPM or so should be a decent balance between getting just a little bit of wheel spin and not overdoing it. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Got all of the electronic nannies turned off. The drive mode is set to performance. We are going to give it a try. That was a great demonstration on how not to do it. Absolutely lit the rear tires up, did a great burnout, and a rather mediocre 5.69 0 to 60 time. Sounded cool, felt cool, but was not fast. So the key is going to be launching it at a slightly lower RPM. Maybe we've got some heat in the tires now. Might be able to help us a little bit, but that was not an effective launch for getting a quick acceleration time. I absolutely know we can improve on that. Be advised, when you see magazines publishing 0 to 60 times on these powerful rear-wheel drive vehicles, yes, it can be achieved, but you're not going to get it every time. So when you're stoplight racing, sometimes you're going to go up in smoke like I just did, and it's not going to be a good acceleration run compared to what the car is capable of. It takes many tries to dial in the launch technique to get just the right amount of wheel spin and traction and acceleration. All right, we'll try that again. I don't think it'll be too hard to improve on that one. Ready? Once again, traction issues a little bit better. Yep, 5.3. But you know what? It definitely can be under 5. So I'm really gonna have to maybe not even go full throttle off the line to really get this car to hook up. Third time is a charm. we go. Oh, that was a bog. We're gonna have to go a little higher than that. That felt really good. I think we finally got it. .68 seconds, 0 to 60. Now we're on target. So that launch at the end there finally was a good balance between wheel spin, engine RPM. Got a little bit of wheel hop, but nothing too detrimental. Some quick shifts, and so 4.68 seconds, that beats the factory rated time. I think it also beats what Motor Trend got. I think they got a 4.7 second run out of it. So I'm happy with that. It is, it's not easy in this car. It definitely is a tricky car. I think with a little bit more practice, I could consistently get it under 5, but cranking off run after run at 4.68, that would be a little bit tricky, because it's not an easy car to launch, and I think people forget that sometimes when viewing street races online or looking at acceleration stats. Some cars are easier to achieve the figures than others, and this one is not the easiest out on the street. So in any case, I hope you enjoyed that quick run. This is Chris Osberg, Winding Road Magazine. Thank you for watching, and tune in to Winding Road Magazine for more reviews and test drives and performance tests, and generally us just having fun in cars, because that's what we do best. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and talk to you later. See ya.